Hi everybody, long time no see. I have not gone to the Dollar Tree since before Christmas. So I had a whole lot of fun today. Okay, first of all, my friend found me a vagabond at a estate sale for like a song. So it was missing one of the feet on it. And I called Sizzix, and the girl's like, oh yeah, I'll look for one. It's like, she didn't even know what I was talking about. Anyways, never heard back. So I thought I could just take what's left. The 3 on there that are off, they're rubber. I tried to find like a rubber gasket. I tried everything. I got these little round things from the plumbing department. Nothing fits, so I thought I'm just going to put these on the bottom. Because it's really so it just doesn't scratch up my table. And then look at, I've never seen. These will come in handy though. I hope they're sticky enough. Oh, these are going to be last. Then I need a new cutting board. We'll see how this goes. I have kind of a bigger, thicker one that I got at Container Store. And I really like it, but it's getting kind of funky. So I thought I'd better switch it out. This is really just plastic. I think the one I have is, what's that stuff called? Something. I don't know what it is called, but it's thicker than this and it's better. So I might just go back and get one of those. But in the meantime, so then where do I go? Oh, I don't know. All right, I got some glue. No, I won't do that. Yeah, I'll do that. Got some tacky glue. I fill these little guys. This is the Elmer School glue that you can get at Dollar Tree. I think it's $4 or $5 for $1. So I just used all the school glue, and that's fine to glue stuff, but I do like tacky glue on most of my stuff. So I just refill these little buggers with tacky glue for $1. So this will fill about, I've got 4 of them. It'll probably fill them, I bet 5 times, well, 4 times I'll say, because I've done 4 times before with that size. And then I ran out of my, okay, here's a goofy story. I worked in publishing on a magazine for years and years and years. And we had this secretary who was, it's hard to describe her. She was crazy. No, I mean like crazy. She really could make you laugh, but at the same time she could get so mad that you just wanted to pound her. Like she'd always say, well, anybody can write. You know, it's like we didn't give her enough love or something. So then she'd insult everybody, like the sale, you know, if it was a salesman that did it, well, anybody can sell something, you know, it's like, whatever, Audrey. Anyways, she took care of the supplies, right? So if we needed something, we'd go and tell her. Well, every time we went over to her desk, she was either plucking the hair out of her beard, her little chin, or she was using whiteout on something. So one day, she wasn't around, and I went to get my favorite pens, and I go to the supply cabinet. There's a case of whiteout. Not like, you know, a dozen. It was 144 bottles of whiteout. And I'm like, I go back, and she's there, and I go like, Audrey, what's with the case of whiteout? She goes, well, I use it a lot. I thought I might as well get a better deal. I'm like, there's no way you can use a case of whiteout in her lifetime. Because she was older, she was ready to retire. And I think, I don't know, I didn't say anything, but a little while later I heard her talking to somebody else, and she mistakenly ordered a case of it. But she just, you know, kept justifying it. Did use some of it, but she sure didn't go through the case. Anyways, it was funny. She'd say, oh, I've got such a headache. And it's like, well, what from, do you think? Or she wants some aspirin. She goes, no, I've tried. She goes, yeah, I drank a gallon of wine last night, so I don't know if that's it. It's just like, gee, you think? And she literally would drink a gallon bottle and then fall asleep in her easy chair. So she was something else. She also wouldn't change her clothes often. So it was kind of a, you know, ugh, now that I think of it. All right, so anyways, then I found this. And I didn't even see that, but that's what I'm going to do. I bought these little Kisses hats, and I forgot about them, so I didn't use them. And I thought, well, maybe they won't look too much like Santa hats for Valentine's. Hopefully not. I don't know. I'll put a bunch of hearts on it. And I got a bunch of stickers anyways. So I thought I'd give one to my friend. It's her birthday coming up. And we're going to see her Friday night. So, and I've got stuff for her too. That's not too bad. Who cares? I'm just going to say, no, it's a cloud with a heart on it. So anyways, then we'll have to just eat the rest. I probably could just make cookies. Those thumbprints, because that's what I was going to make. And never got around to it. Then I found this. I'm also going to decorate this up like with, I've got some pretty ribbon. But this is really cute. Just to put stuff in. Put more candy in it or something. Actually, I did find this for Sheila. Isn't that cute? She loves, whenever I come home from shopping with the bag, she thinks there's something in it for her. Because I usually get her a little, at the Dollar Tree, I always get her a little one. Stuffed animal. So then she comes up, and with my boxes. If I get a box, she thinks it's a bark box, because I used to get them for her. So I have to get a treat and a baby, because that's what she expects. Because she comes right up to me when I got a box. So I get a treat and a baby, and I pull it out of the box, and she runs off with the treat and the baby. All right, so this is really cute. I just got them for the clothespins. Obviously, because I don't need to hang photos. But aren't they cute? I like the colors too. And then there's suction cups, so it's twine. There's $1 worth of product in there, I think. Got some Tootsie Rolls and my favorite little strawberry. These are actually really good for $1. You know, if they're pretty good. It's got those. Then I got more earplugs for who snores like a banshee. Oh God, some nights it's so loud. All right, then for Lori, my girlfriend, I bought this. Is so good. It's coconut and rose. The new ones are really good. This is like, oh my gosh, it's so good. I do love coconut anyway. This is really, oh, it's so good. Coconut and rose. So I got me one. I got her one. I got her a pack of facial wipes. And then I'll split this. And then a retinol thing. But I also got her, when we were at the state, I got her this basket to put it in. We were at the state fair this year. They grab you while you're walking by in the grandstand. And this girl was putting on, they're like the little plastic stencils, and then you put an eyebrow on. So we let her do it, and I thought, God, it's kind of easy. And we're both like, oh, we should get one and split it. But it was $30, and we're like, I said, I really could just make a stencil on my silhouette. But anywho, instead I found it on Amazon for like, I think it was $17 for the whole set. So that's going to go in here, and then I got something else for her. So that's for Miss Lori. She and I have grown up together. She lived behind me, and she had a twin brother, or has a twin brother. Oh, I didn't see that. Darn it. These, oh, what's that? I gotta wash them. These are for the, those hot pads I got at Hobby Lobby. So I'm glad I found the little spatulas. But that's weird that they're all dirty in there. I'll have to wash them up. And then I couldn't resist that. For like soups and stuff. Then Scrubby uses this on his feet. He kind of gets athlete's feet once in a while. But anyways, he uses it on him all the time. He loves it. And they shrunk the bottles on this. This used to be like that big. And I was talking to the gal at Dollar Tree, the manager. She goes, oh yeah, it's the tariffs. I'm like, no, it's not the tariffs. They started doing the humidifiers last year before the tariffs were even thought of. Then I found this. I thought this was cute. Got a new black coat this year, so this will be cute with it. I'll have to iron it up though. And I could not believe I saw it. I about died when I saw this. Godiva. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, for $1. This would be like probably $6 at the store. So I'm going to put that in Lori's basket too. Finally. These are so cute. Uh-oh. Oh God, I thought I missed it. All right, so I got 2 of these that are super cute. Food and kitties and little Foxy. Believe it or not, people used to call me Foxy Roxy. Not now. Oh, I'm funny. All right, so aren't they cute? I love the taco. My favorite food. If I was food, I'd be a taco. And Bill's favorite, oh, that's watermelon, not pizza. So that's that cute set. This is super cute just for whatevs. Oh, look at them. Cute. We had 2 coyotes going in a pack the other day. So we got to watch Miss Sheila when she's out. Isn't that cute? Look at the squirrel. The little bow on. How about the koalas? Oh, I just die every time I see one. I did that Leigh. She's a really cool artist. Leigh Ellexson. Ellexson. She did a really cute koala in a heart. Like, you know, like he's on top of the heart. And she's selling them for $5 plus $1 shipping. And you can buy as many as you want. And it's really adorable. And all the money, she figured out a sanctuary or whatever to send it to. Her latest video has all the information. And I mean, I wish I could help them better. Like go there and find as many koalas as I can. It's just so sad. Just devastating. So I'll put her link down below so you can go buy a koala sticker. And just, you know, give whatever you can. Those poor babies. Oh, all the animals. I mean, they're animals that are only there. They're not anywhere else in the world. And they're worried about the koalas and what are those, wombats or something that becoming extinct. The kangaroos, aren't they just in Australia on that? It's so devastating, not to mention the people. At least I haven't heard a lot of people dying. You know, they're obviously losing everything, but they're not dying. Oh, I'm going to start crying. Okay, so here's the last one. I love it. How sad. Can't stop fire when it wants to burn. That's cute. So please, if you can, give a little something to those baby koalas. Oh, it's so sad. Okay, that's it for me, kids. Thanks for watching. Bye.